Hello, welcome to day 4 of Reader's Workshop. It's the day that you always wait for. Today is a free reading day. And I just want to offer just a few suggestions and reminders before you find your favorite book and a good place to read. Don't forget that we're working towards our goal of 25 books in English this year. And to add a little extra challenge, we're challenging you to read across all different genres. Okay, so if you're someone who loves fantasy, loves Harry Potter, loves magical stories, maybe today you could push yourself to try something that's more realistic, like a realistic fiction or historical fiction. Okay, another genre that a lot of 5th graders miss is poetry. And don't be afraid of poetry. There's a few books, The Brown Girl Dreaming, The Red Pencil. Those are 2 books. They're actually chapter books that are written as poetry. The other real famous one is called Crossover, which is about basketball. And that particular author has a series of books written about sports that are written in poetry. And remember, music is poetry. Rap music, R-A-P, stands for rhythm and poetry. Okay, so rap music is just poetry put to a beat. So you can almost say that those books are written as rap songs. Okay, so give it a try. If you haven't read a book written in poetry, I know that you will find them very interesting. So reach out if you need a suggestion. All of your teachers have lots of different ideas or suggestions of books to read. I picked this one off my shelf here. It says President of the Whole 5th Grade. And this book is fiction. It's a made-up story about a girl, but it's a very real-life story. Okay, so a book like this would fall into the realistic fiction. It's something that could happen. It just hasn't happened yet. Okay, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Again, this is a realistic fiction book. Okay, it's goofy, it's silly, but it's possible. Another one that I found, Women Who Dared. Okay, now these are all real life stories of women from history. Okay, so this would fall under the informational text. Okay, here's another one that's similar, The Fierce 44, Black Americans Who Shook Up the World. Okay, these are all short stories. Okay, but they fit right into your informational text on your reading log. Right, and if you've never read a fantasy story, if you haven't read Harry Potter or The Hunger Games, Percy Jackson, The Lightning Thief, those are all great ideas to try to meet your fantasy requirement on your genre chart. All right. Please keep sharing book titles, talk with your friends about their favorite books, and enjoy your time reading today.